All right, ladies and gentlemen, got some brand new coilovers. Let's go on the car. They are extreme lows, but hopefully it won't be too slammed. They are 5 bolts, so we'll have to knock out 2 studs to make it 3 bolt. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing that today. So I'm just gonna set up the camera in places and, you know, just record whatever I record together. Hopefully it won't take too long. So we'll be working on the fronts first, and like I said, we'll be converting those 5 bolt top hats to 3 bolts. Just gotta knock out 2 studs, should line up. Yeah, let's go. But I'm gonna go to that side and try to. All right, we're gonna take a little break, but we've gotten the end link out, loosen up the lower control arms, took the little pinch bolt out, and yeah, just gonna replicate on the other side. Take these bolts out, and the struts will come out. Easy, easy peasy. All right, continue removal of the strut. And like I mentioned previously, we just knocked out 2 bolts or 2 studs to make it 3 bolt for the pre-LCI.
Want to turn the wheel a little more?
Give me a second. So you want to help me on this side? Go back down. Oh, that's too much. Oh. Up. You go. You go. Slow. You go. Okay. Keep going. All the way up.
Well, I can use your phone to play music, so when I record it, to stop it.
No, that's fine. I'm not getting money either.
Probably just JBL speaker.
When it's time to battle, they don't never ever show. When it's time to battle, I'm the first to get hot like sport.
You have the wrench?
You have the wrench.
Yeah.
Turn the wheel back.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna bang with this.
Is that good?
Nah.
Should be able to come out.
Yeah, I know. Nah, stop coming. That's fine.
Okay, hold on. All right, the fronts are pretty much in. Button back up. Probably just need to adjust the height and shit. New end lengths. Or I mean, yeah, new end lengths. New shoes. Didn't max out the camber yet, but we might. But yeah, fuck with the paint, whatever. Put everything back together. And then go onto the rears. All right, first time lower. Check out the jack stand. Yep. Good. All right, you want to lower it? See. You going? Ooh. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
You wanna lower?
Huh?
You wanna lower?
What do you mean?
You wanna make the coils a bit lower?
Oh, that's good. Because then when I get the spacer, it'll pull out perfectly. Yeah. Okay, let's do the rear. Holy shit, look how freaking low this thing looks. Damn. We'll get it outside, but you know, also it's the rear's jacked up, but it's pretty fucking sick. All right, gonna do the rears, we'll be back. All right, fast forwarded. We did the rears. First try fitment. Looks pretty perfect. We'll get a full walk around in a little bit, but it looks fucking perfect. All right, so this is the final height of the car. It's tucking pretty good in the rear. The front, I left some gap just in case I had a bump, you know, going up the driveway or something, like, or well turned. And I want to get a bigger tire in the front later, so do that. If you're wondering why there's double wheel locks, I got space in front. And these longer studs. Come on. But yeah, I think the ride height looks pretty sick. That's pretty much as high as the rears go for the Extremos. It's got about -3 in the rears, and then almost the same in the front, I think, or a little bit less in the front. I wanted more in the front, but I'll have to get some arms to do that. Of course, this side looks the same. But yeah, looks pretty good to me.